Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be cooking pasta and I have some guests, well actually one guest. So here's my sister Aziza and then here's the guest. His name is Mikey and we're going to be making pasta.
We have some linguine pasta that we're going to use. We have a cheese grater. We have some fresh provolone. We have some, you can use any tomato sauce. We choose ragu sauce. We have some ground beef, some oregano and some salt. And you will need a
stove and
boiled water. And yeah.
Alright, we already boiled the water. You have to boil it for 7 to 10 minutes. And for it to taste better, just put a pinch of salt.
Or butter.
Or you can put a little bit of butter. And they're both going to taste better, but we just put in a pinch of salt.
So I'm going to put a little bit of salt. So I'm going to put some butter.
Can you wait?
Yeah. Alright. So now I'm just going to close it again.
And you guys have to wait until it boils.
Now that we put the butter in, we're just going to leave it and set it for like 2 or 3 minutes. So it can like get into the water.
And then you guys are going to have to put the pasta.
Yeah. Now that we just put the salt and butter, we gotta leave it until it starts boiling. Our water is already boiling, but gotta make sure the bubbles become big, like it is right now. So again, the ingredients are, this is linguine pasta, and any kind of pizza sauce, but I'm using tomato sauce. And cheese, Parmesan cheese, oregano, and then sorry, beef, that's you are cold. Ground beef that you are freezing cold, but you have to survive. So now Mikey's gonna put in the pasta.
So we're gonna leave we're going to leave the pasta inside the boiling water until the pasta gets soft, so it's better. And we have to wait until it sinks all the way down.
Guess what I found in my refrigerator? Hot dog. So I'm just saying, if you don't have ground beef, like we do, you could use sausage or any type of sausage you like that you want to put in the pasta. So if you don't have ground beef, but we do, so we're not gonna be using. Bye-bye, hot dog. So while the pasta is boiling over there in the back, my sister and Mikey will check on that. And since ground beef is frozen, I'm gonna cook this right now. Make sure it's low for the temperature because you don't want the ground beef to burn or your sausage to burn. Right, so my ground beef is ready, and then our pasta is ready, as you see. So everything that is supposed to be cooked is cooked, and I'm gonna start putting in the macaroni for my cousin and Aziza.
That is from our door.
That's for Mikey. A little bit more. That's good. All right, now for me. It looks really good. I can't wait to try it. All right, for my sister. I'll put more, just don't worry. It's not my fault if it's gonna be uneven. All right. All right. Now for Aziza's turn.
Now I'm gonna put the ground beef in it. The good thing about this recipe is you can put how much stuff you want inside. So like if you want a lot of meat, you could just put a lot of meat. But if you want less meat, you could put less meat.
Now we're gonna have to put amounts of sauce. And
I don't really need a lot because
A little more.
All right.
A tiny more.
Okay.
Like, don't be shy.
Okay.
That's good.
Azim.
And now I'm gonna put in
Oregano.
oregano, basil, and just
It has like other different
it
spices
has like
mixed
tomato, like dried up tomato, and does other stuff inside.
into it. Don't put too much, please.
That's good.
Just a little pinch is enough. Yeah, no. Okay, yeah. The Alfredo vibes are coming back. And once you're done, these are the results you should get. And like we said earlier, you can like put your own portion. Like if you want more cheese, more sauce, you can like pick it yourself. Can't wait to try, and we will be digging in.
All right.
Fresh. That's so good. It has like an equal amount of everything inside it.
I think I need some more because it's just too good. Little bit more. I'm getting a bigger plate after this. All right, I enjoyed it a lot. I really want you guys to try it because it's just really good. That's good. A little bit more. All right. Sauce. Cheese. Need that blender. What?
I'll grate it.
Alright. Keep on going, don't be shy. Good. That's good. Thank you.